Imagine this one developer is stuck. No one knows. A task gets delayed. That delay blocks another story. By the time it's noticed, the sprint is off track. Now rewind. One quick update in a daily stand-up could have prevented it all. That's the power of 15 minutes a day. Let's see how. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to run, or participate in, an effective daily stand-up. Whether you're a Scrum Master, developer, or product owner, you'll walk away with practical tips and takeaways. The Daily Stand-Up is a 15-minute time-boxed event held every day. It's not a status meeting. Instead, it's a chance for the team to inspect progress, adapt plans, and improve collaboration. Daily Scrums improve communications, identify impediments, promote quick decision-making, and consequently eliminate the need for other meetings. Daily Stand-Up is not a problem-solving meeting. Take detailed discussions offline. Respect the time box. When the timer ends, the stand-up ends. The Daily Scrum is for the development team. They lead the conversation, sharing progress and blockers. The Scrum Master ensures the meeting stays on track. The product owner may attend to listen or clarify, but usually doesn't speak. The goal? Keep the team aligned and focused for the day ahead. During the Daily Stand-Up, each team member typically answers 3 key questions. What did you do yesterday? What you will do today? Are there any blockers or impediments? These questions help the team stay aligned, identify risks early, and adjust plans if needed, all while keeping the sprint goal in focus. Pro tip: keep it concise, no more than 15 minutes. To minimize confusion and improve consistency, hold it at the same time and location every workday during the sprint. The Daily Stand-Up isn't just a routine in a Scrum framework, rather it's a daily opportunity to align, adapt, and unblock progress. When done right, it keeps the team connected, focused, and moving steadily toward the sprint goal. 15 minutes, every day, one team, one direction. Remember, the stand-up is time-boxed to 15 minutes. Respect the clock. If an issue needs more time, take it offline with the right people right after the meeting. Quick check. Which of the following is not a good practice during a daily stand-up? A. Keeping updates relevant to the sprint goal. B. Diving deep into technical problem-solving. C. Sharing blockers openly. D. Staying within the 15-minute time box. Yes, that was great. The correct option is B. Diving deep into technical problem-solving. Thanks for watching. Hope you learned something new today. Want to gain real-world experience in Scrum and Agile frameworks while contributing to a global learning community? Join us at Silicon Valley Project Management and be part of the change.